Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening. Good evening, Nilesh. Good evening, Varun. Keep the charts clean, guys. We'll start analyzing. We'll do the screening within 2 minutes. 180 pips running in short, 800 in BTC. Morning trade closed with 150 pips. Great. Hit the like button, guys. Nilesh, how is your backtesting going on? Good. Good to hear that. कौन से चार्ट पे कर रहे हो बैक टेस्टिंग अभी? GBP. Okay. So 2 more minutes, guys. We'll start. When possible, please explain the sudden move in gold. There is nothing. Sudden move कुछ नहीं था यार नीलेश यहाँ पे. Everything was as per the allocation. एक ही sudden move आया, वो भी sudden move नहीं कह सकते, right? This was our retracement point, correct? ये retracement point यहाँ पे allocate हुआ था. With this price action, market break in a go. It just took the rejection from the double demand. That's it. Rest all as per the plan only the market is going. From morning Three allocations we looked at, right? BTC, Nifty, gold. Gold was purely towards the short. One trade of execution towards the long because like, okay, chalo, 4 points की हमारी SL range थी and it was just playing in ego. So 40 pips was one of the ranges where we looked into the substitution. That was the only a small scalp which we looked at towards the long. Overall wise, if you look into the circumstances, the trades are towards the short only. No? For reversal, what do we need? For reversal in 1 hour, we need a moment of allocation in a higher volume. Do we have a higher volume at this place? No. Right? So coming in the screening, I'll explain you why was that movements and why did the direct movement allocation was occurred at this current scenario. It was just an inducement to range which was being allocated at the point range. Okay. Yes, so let's start. Daily time frame. This is our buyer's allocation. This is our seller's allocation. At this point of action, what does the market doing? Market has followed a range pattern, correct? इस एक point of action को दुगनी करने के बाद मार्केट सस्टेन होके कंटिन्यूटी में आई थी. ओके. जितने भी लोग शॉर्ट में हैं बने रहो MTSL फॉलो करते हुए. ओके. So at this point of action, completion, continuity in the next candle, we allocated a next movement action. Okay. When we allocated a next movement action, what do you notice? The market had taken a rejection from 50%. Right. Post that, let's come down to 4 hours. In 4 hours, what do we notice? The market had followed a movement of price action from this point of action, correct? So this was our major supply reversal point. From this point of action, did the market go in all the directions? Yes. Let's allocate that. So this was our perspective one. Perspective one was fulfilled. With the perspective one fulfillment, there was a fulfillment of perspective two. How? With the rejection of previous candles, right? Retracement कितना दिया था? जितना market हमारा previous retracement था, उतना ही इस point of action में हमें retracement देखने को मिली थी, right? उसके बाद 3 days the market was in a POI range. Every allocating point. With the every allocation point, what do we majorly notice at this point of range? Volumes कहाँ पे increase हुई थी? Let's start drawing the levels. Okay. So this was the volume 1. Wick creations were of the buyers. Okay. This is the volume 2. Sellers came into the play. Okay. This was the next high volume increasement. What do we notice in 4 hours? It was a seller's play again. But at this circumstances, what are the one major things that you will be looking for? The one major thing that you will be looking here, will be an allocation as per the requirements within an hour. Okay. So I'm just taking March month's volume allocations, nothing else. Okay. At this point of action, one buyer allocation post that all the volume increments were of the sellers. Okay. So till here, everyone is clear in the perspective of why the movement is towards the short. With this major allocations, what are the next thing that you have to be looking at? The next thing you guys can look at is 4 hours allocation 1, which is that from this point of action to this point of action, right? Multiplying the measurements to the second round of the demand. So what is our targets of current range of action saying? 2890 as per the 4 hours. Post that, let's come down to 1 hour. रिजेक्शन कितना लिया है मार्केट ने वो देखने के लिए विल कम डाउन इनटू 1 hour circumstances, right? In 1 hour circumstances we wanted an allocation point, right? वो allocation point market ने कितना लिया? Follow through each and every movement was in the direction, right? सुबह में एक चीज बोल रहे थे, if you guys remember, what did I say? मार्केट यहाँ से धीरे धीरे नीचे आ रहा है, राइट? एक प्लान ऑफ एक्शन बनाएगा, सब रिटेलर्स को बोलेगा कि मार्केट यहाँ से रिवर्स होने वाला है, बट दैट विल बी जस्ट ए फेक आउट एंड मार्केट विल कंटिन्यू. व्हाट डिड मार्केट डू? मार्केट कंटिन्यूड. पोस्ट दैट देयर वाज वन रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट, जितना हमारा ए रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन था उतना ही यहाँ पे जनरेट हुई है. विद दैट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन, what is the next one thing that you guys have to look for? We had a sudden rejection point over here, right? फ्राइडे के दिन वो पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन क्लोज होने के बाद आज के दिन कितना रिट्रेस हुआ मार्केट? इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में जितना प्रीवियस रिजेक्शन पॉइंट था उतना ही रिजेक्शन पॉइंट यहाँ पे बिल्ड होके आज के दिन मार्केट पूरा शॉर्ट में है, राइट? विच इज अ बेरिश मूवमेंट. What is the next circumstances that you guys have to be looking at? The next circumstances that you guys have to be looking at is in 30 minutes. अगर 1 hour allocation point देखोगे, two ways of looking into it. 4 hours हमने allocate किया है, let's allocate 1 hour as well. So even 1 hour allocation remains the same perspective, right? As much as 4 hours. So इस point of action में हमें 1 hour की draw करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि जितना 4 hours का allocation है उतना ही 1 hour का allocation हमें दिखा रही है. What is the next thing that we'll be following through? The next thing we'll be following is 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, do we have a price action? Yes, definitely we had a price action. मॉर्निंग में जो भी लोग यहाँ पे बैठे थे, मार्केट ऊपर गया था. क्यों गया था ऊपर? एक रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट फॉलो कर रहा था, करेक्ट? जो कि इस सिनेरियो में ए वाला रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट थी जो कि अलोकेट हो रहा था, राइट? आप ए ले सकते हो या ये ले सकते हो. either one can do because the measurement of the retracement was same. So अगर हम यहाँ पे allocate करेंगे, what do we notice? The rejection was from the same point of action. That's the reason there was one trade of long as well which we had given in the TG, which was of 50 pips. Post closure of that, हमारा live trade क्या था majorly? Anyone can say what was our plan of action towards the trade in the morning? Short trade. Yes, that's right. Why? Because volume increment wasn't there. अगर अभी भी नोटिस कर रहे हो, there is no volume increment. अगर सबसे बड़ा कैंडल भी लोगे ना, तो उस वॉल्यूम इंक्रीमेंट में आपको क्या नोटिस दिखने को मिलेगी? प्रीवियस डे का एक भी लाइनअप में क्लोजर नहीं दिया है यहाँ पे. ओके, तो इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में दिस वोंट बी एबल टू कंसिडर्ड as a moment of allocation. Short trade, sir, short side, yes. So अभी इस point of action में you have to be patientfully waiting. क्या हमारा इस point of action में एसएल गया था? नहीं, लंदन सेशन चल रही थी 40 pips, right? So our entry point was at 29.850. Let's mark out the level 29.850 first. Okay, so somewhere here 15 minutes में mark करते हैं, right? From that point of action to this point of action, it's just a 5 points move which had given up, but closure नहीं दिया था. So the trade towards the short was in the continuity of our end only, because जब तक वो हमारा 40 pips range के ऊपर closure नहीं देता है candle, so it doesn't make sense to make that trade in continuity of the hold. Okay, so that was the reason. वो जो movement जो था ना 15 minutes का, जो 45 minutes का candles, 15 15 15, so that range we wanted a small price action to be built just to recover out on the time what we had invested. Because of that we looked for a long trade as well, which was of 40 pips. कवरेंस मिली, डायरेक्शन अलोकेट हुआ, मार्केट उस डायरेक्शन से अभी तक मार्केट शॉर्ट में ही है. Coming down to 15 minutes. Okay, so few people got entered over here. Few people got entered over here in the morning. Few people got entered over here in the morning, right? Post that, we had allocated one trade which was of 50 pips from this candle, just for a range of coverance. Did we have an exact moment of allocation? Partner 1, partner 2, drop, rejection, continue, right? So whoever had patiently waited for this 15 15 15, did the market gave the movement as per the requirements? Yes, right? At this point of circumstances, अभी next point क्या होगा? हमारा plan of action क्या होगी? हमारा first plan of action होगा 15 minutes का, इस point of range में कितना, जितना ये moment of allocation है, क्या वो cover हुई? Right? It covered. Post that, what we can look at, sorry, post that we can look into the circumstances of this one, measuring it out over here. What do we notice? There was a rejection perspective. With this rejection perspective, हमको कितना rejection चाहिए था इस point of action में? जितना हमारा previous supply generate हुआ था, उतना ही rejection हमें इस point of action में चाहिए था, correct? क्या market ने दी? Definitely दी. With this plan of action हमें एक चीज बताओ अभी, ये कंटिन्यूअस में 15 मिनट्स में ब्रेकआउट दिया है, क्या आप यहाँ पे एंट्री करने के लिए हमारे पास मौका है लॉन्ग की तरफ? नो सर. यस. सो अभी क्या करोगे? नेक्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन, वी विल अलोकेट द सप्लाई, वी विल डबल इट आउट ऑन द रेशियो. सॉरी, गलत एग्जीक्यूशन हुआ. नोप्स. राइट. सो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन, जब हमें एंट्री करने के लिए मौका ही नहीं दिया, तो आप यहाँ पे ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट कैसे करोगे? नो ऑप्शंस, राइट? With this plan of action, we will double the circumstances and we wait for a point of action. जैसे ही ये point of action build हुआ यहाँ पे, right? At the same point, आप लोगों को एक मैसेज आया टीजी पे, right? What was that indicating? It was indicating the same allocation as per this current movement. राइट? जितना ये मूवमेंट है उतना ही अलोकेशन यहाँ पे हमें दिखने को मिली, राइट? उसके साथ अभी वो कंप्लीट होने के बाद व्हाट इज द मूवमेंट दैट यू हैव टू बी लुकिंग एट मेजरली? मेजरली द सर्कमस्टांसेस इज, क्या कंटिन्यू करेगा? करेगा तो कहाँ तक करेगा? प्लान ऑफ एक्शन 1, वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज आने दो, राइट? आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर 15 मिनट्स वॉल्यूम इंक्रीमेंट, आई एम आस्किंग फॉर 1 आवर वॉल्यूम इंक्रीमेंट। अगर 1 आवर में वॉल्यूम इंक्रीमेंट होगी लॉन्ग के तरफ देखेंगे, उससे पहले नहीं। एंड एट द करेंट स्टेज व्हाट डू वी नोटिस? देयर इज नो increment in the volume in the zone. Is there any increment in the volume in the zone? Right? No. ये 1 आवर का कैंडल क्लोज होगा 6 मिनट में. In this 6 minutes, if the market closes in this range, right? If this gives the spike and give a closure in the 6 minutes range, then definitely yes, we will look for a reversal, not prior to that. Okay. So always remember, market follows a tendency of the high liquidity points, right? So allocate the trade according to that direction and execute it with the point of action and hold patientfully. Okay. Any doubts, guys? Nope. भाई बीटीसी में अपसाइड का ट्रेड होल्ड है, क्या करूं? वेट करो भाई एट वाइप ऑफ. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट, कमिंग डाउन टू बीटीसी, होल्ड करो भाई वो, राइट? So what is the next thing that you have to be looking at in BTC? Level 1 of allocation, right? लेवल 1 ऑफ अलोकेशन में ये आपका स्विंग लो थी, ये आपका स्विंग हाई था, ये आपका रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट, उसका टारगेट कंप्लीट हो चुकी है, राइट? एट द करेंट सिनेरियो, स्विंग लो, स्विंग हाई, रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट 1, swing low, swing high, retracement point number 2, right? And the major thing, swing low, swing high, retracement point. इतना ऑप्शंस है, कौन सा यूटिलाइज करोगे यहाँ पे? सो फॉर दिस विल डू द स्क्रीनिंग. ओके. सबका MTSL यहाँ पे होना चाहिए. जो लाइन डाला है वो MTSL पॉइंट है गाइस. ओके. सो कम डाउन टू daily time frame. With the daily time frame, what do we notice? Bias point, internal liquidity point. In this point of range, what is market trying to do? Market is in the range. अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में मार्केट क्या करेगा? किधर तक मूवमेंट आएगी, कैसे मूवमेंट आएगी? व्हाट शुड बी योर प्लान ऑफ एक्शन? सिंपल है, जितना हमारा प्रीवियस डिमांड है उसे अलोकेट करो, राइट? जैसे ही वो अलोकेशन होती है उस अलोकेशन को डबल करो. जैसे ही इंड्यूसमेंट खत्म होती है प्लान को अलोकेट करो, राइट? वेयर इज द मार्केट टेकिंग रिजेक्शन फ्रॉम द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन, राइट? प्लान नंबर 1 खत्म हुई. अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट यू गाइस हैव टू बी वर्किंग ऑन? द नेक्स्ट थिंग यू विल बी वर्किंग ऑन इज 4 hours. What is 4 hours indicating? 4 hours is indicating a movement. फर्स्ट मूवमेंट ऑफ एक्शन डालते हैं. एक्शन नंबर 1, post the inducement range completion, right? सो अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में 3 मूवमेंट अलोकेट हुई है, राइट? इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में तुम्हें 4 आवर्स में ये पूरा अलोकेशन मैथमेटिकल नंबर के थ्रू मिलेगा ही नहीं, राइट? ये मैथमेटिकल नंबर आपको मिलेगा 1 आवर पे, राइट? डेफिनेटली ये प्लान ऑफ एक्शन जो इधर इंड्यूसमेंट के साथ मूवमेंट आई थी, यस इसका मिलेगा, बट ये शॉर्ट ट्रेड का मिलेगा नहीं। उसके बाद जो यहाँ पे अलोकेट हुआ था लॉन्ग का, डेफिनेटली इसका मिलेगा आपको। बट मेजरली ये सब तो पुराना है, पुराना मैं क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ करके आप सोच रहे होगे। ओल्ड डेटा इज द न्यू डेटा, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट। सो अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में लेट्स अलोकेट द स्विंग हाई एज दिस वन, स्विंग लो एज दिस वन। ये ले लो या इसके ऊपर वाला ले लो, कोई भी ले लो, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ओपन द कैलकुलेटर एंड कैलकुलेट। Okay, swing high is 92,810.64 minus 84,667.03. What is the formulative number that I have got? The formulative number that I have got is 8143.61, right? जैसे ये नंबर मिलता है, रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट क्या है हमारा इधर? रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट इज 9100, डायरेक्शन बेरिश, माइनस beautiful Venkat, keep it up, right? So 9100 minus 8143.61, right, into 1.618. What is the number that we have got? The number we have got is 77,923. 77,923 is below the swing. ओके, एक लेवल ऑफ एक्शन मिल गया है, वो मार्क करके रख लो। अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन को सेम अलोकेशन के साथ हम यहाँ पे मूव करते हैं, राइट, जो कि हमारा मेजर पॉइंट है। तो उस मेजर पॉइंट के हिसाब से व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव टू लुक फॉर? द नेक्स्ट थिंग विल बी लुकिंग फॉर 92,810.64 minus 87,836. What is the value? The value is 4974.64, राइट? जैसे ही वो वैल्यू मिलती है, रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट 90,781.20 माइनस 4974.64, right, into 1.618. What is the value that we are getting? The value we are getting is 82,732. 82,732. Okay, so this was the first plan of action. I'm just marking it out. What will be the second plan of action? Retracement कहाँ पे है? 90,781.20 minus 4974.64 into 2. What is the value that I'm getting? 80,831. 80,831. I will mark out the number. Where is the market taking rejection from? From the 4 hours point of action, right? So we got a previous allocation, उसके बाद वाला allocation का अभी तक target hit नहीं हुआ है. So we will take under the consideration of first lineup. इस first lineup क्या completion every demand control को होते हुए मिली है. This is the first demand, right? Completion of it. Wick create हुई थी, double the quantity, 50% से market movement दिया है, correct? So with this point of action, rejection कितना आना चाहिए हमको यहाँ पे? जितना हमारा previous point of action है उतना rejection. ये हमारा previous point of action है. We got that rejection at this particular place. नो वरीज एट ऑल, विक क्रिएट हो रहा है, प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, बॉडी कंप्लीशन हमें चाहिए वो रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में। ओके, तो अभी हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन यहाँ पे थी, विद दिस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन 50% कंप्लीशन पे थी, करेक्ट? सो अभी व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट प्लान? जितना हमारा प्रीवियस डिमांड अलोकेशन था उतने का मूवमेंट अलोकेशन यहाँ पे दिखने को मिलेगा, राइट? Market completed the range at this point. With this point of action, did we get an inducement? Yes. Inducement 1, partner 2, a group of small continuity, right? So in this plan of action, what is the next step that we'll be looking for? The next step we'll be looking for is the movement of this plan of action multiplying with the inducement range. Where is the market standing together? Market is standing near the point of action of 4 hours mathematical number, right? So with this point of action, what is the next thing that you'll be working on? The next thing you'll be working on is on the 1 hour concept, right? Everything is good, no doubt at all, right? पूरा प्लान ऑफ एक्शन फॉलो करके आया है। सुबह में हमने बोला था बीटीसी आज ऊपर के लिए जाएगा, क्योंकि संडे के दिन जितने भी लोग रनिंग में आए उनका एसएल हमें चाहिए। तो उसके लिए अभी हमें क्या करना चाहिए? टारगेट हिट हुआ है, पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन 1, पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन 2, point of action 3, right? Do the mathematical number. Escape, high point 82, 797.95 minus 80,000. What is the formulative number that we have got? The formulative number that we have got is 2797.95, right? With this plan of action, what is the retracement point? 81, 151. Direction bullish, we will add 2797.95 into the golden ratio 1.618. What is the first plan of action that we are getting? 85,678. Okay, so this is the plan of action of 1 hour. What is the next step that you will be working on? The next step you will be working on is जितने लोगों का ट्रेड मिस हुआ है वो लोगों का ट्रेड ऑफ एक्शन नेक्स्ट कहाँ पे होगा, राइट? सो फॉर दैट पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन यहाँ पे मैं इंटरमीडिएट रेशियो ऐड नहीं कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि अभी तक फर्स्ट रेशियो ही कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है? आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग इन द सर्कमस्टांसेस ऑफ अलोकेशंस एंड आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर ए पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं। Then coming to 30 minutes. What is 30 minutes indicating? 30 minutes is indicating a power allocation point. Power allocation point मतलब जितना भी वॉल्यूम सर्कुलेटिंग में रहती है उतना ही वॉल्यूम का लिक्विडिटी हंट होता है। इन द सिनेरियो ये हमारा सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई था, राइट? व्हाई इट वाज ए सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई? अगर नोटिस करोगे हर एक कैंडल में सिर्फ मेजर पोजीशन ऑफ अलोकेशन देखोगे ना, यहाँ पे सिर्फ सेलिंग हो रही थी, सेलिंग सेलिंग सेलिंग, राइट? knowing in the point of action market was in the direction of bullish, but इस point of action में सिर्फ circulate हो रहा था एक one to another, right? one decentralized exchange to another decentralized exchange. अब इस point of action में क्या होगी market? okay, complete हुआ, post that completion of exchange, what did the market do? one shot में cover up किया, post coverance market had taken a rejection, कितना रिजेक्शन लिया था मार्केट ने? जितना प्रीवियस अलोकेशन पॉइंट 1, अलोकेशन पॉइंट 2, राइट? सो हमारा मेजर 2 अलोकेशन पॉइंट यहाँ पे थी, दोनों अलोकेशन पॉइंट कंप्लीट हुए, राइट? सो लेट्स लुक इनटू द सर्कमस्टांसेस जहां से रिजेक्शन ली, राइट? सो रिजेक्शन 1 and rejection 2. Market took an rejection from the same perspective angle. अभी कितना मार्केट कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए? जितना प्लान ऑफ एक्शन है मार्केट में उतना ही मूवमेंट अलोकेशन दिखने को मिलना चाहिए। वो कहाँ पे दिखने को मिलेगी? जैसे ही एक अलोकेशन आपको 15 मिनट में रिजेक्शन दिखते हुए दिखेगा, उतना ही प्लान ऑफ एक्शन आपको मूवमेंट में दिखेगी। And how do you identify that movement? That movement is identified through a caption analysis. Caption analysis मतलब 15 मिनट में जितना सर्कुलेटिंग है उतना ही सर्कुलेशन में मूवमेंट आएगा, राइट? दिस वाज द फर्स्ट सर्कुलेटिंग मूवमेंट, दिस वाज आवर सेकंड सर्कुलेटिंग मूवमेंट। इमीडिएटली देयर वाज अ स्पाइक इन द मूवमेंट। कितना अलोकेशन आना चाहिए इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में? जितना यहां से यहां तक बॉडी जो जनरेट हुई है ना, विक नहीं, सिर्फ बॉडी, उतना ही मूवमेंट ऑफ अलोकेशन आपको बीटीसी में दिखने को मिलेगा। ओके, एंड इसमें फर्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन 50% एरिया will be the hike zone, 100% area will be the major liquidity creation zone. इस जोन पे लिक्विडिटी क्रिएट होगी, इस जोन पे रिट्रेस होगी। ओके, 2 पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शंस इज बीन अलोकेटेड, बट 1 आवर का हमारा टारगेट रेंज क्या है? 85,594। अभी जैसे ही वो लेवल ऑफ अलोकेशन हुआ, ये एमटीएसएल पॉइंट है, कंफ्यूज मत होना, ये एमटीएसएल का लाइन है। ओके, सो जैसे ही ये पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शंस अलाइन हुई हैं, what is the next thing that you guys have to be looking here? The next thing you guys will be looking here for a rejection perspective. And वो rejection perspective कहाँ से मिलेगी हमें? Use the math. Retracement 1. So I'm talking about small rejection, not the big rejection. Sorry, swing low, swing high, retracement point. Okay. फर्स्ट ये कर लो, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट। $82,461.53 minus 81,630.59. What is the formulative number? The formulative number is 830. Okay, 82,065.73 plus 830.94, right, into 1.618. 83,410 is the first plan of action. हिट हो चुकी है, इंटरमीडिएट नंबर डालो 82,065.73 plus 830.94 into 2, 83,727. Where is the market taking rejection from? So this is the current plan of action of BTC. What market will tend to do? Market will tend to hunt down, take the liquidity, grab the creation, continue, hunt the retailers, and then the move. This is the plan action of BTC at the current stage. पहला शॉर्ट होगा, शॉर्ट होने के बाद फिर से एक हंट डाउन होगी, उस हंट डाउन के साथ मोमेंट ऑफ अलोकेशन आपको दिखने को मिलेगा. क्लियर है गाइस? वेंकटरमन, MTSL स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना, 1000 पॉइंट्स के नीचे आउट. Hit the like button. 900 points booked. Okay. Yes, sir. How is your back testing going on, Rachit? Hit the like button. बैक टेस्टिंग कैसे चल रही है? किसी को भी कोई भी डाउट है, प्लीज डू आस्क. Okay. In BTC, on a higher time frame of 4 hours, the higher time frame of 4 hours, our downside target is still not hit, but on the lower time frame, we are bullish. But our major bias should be for short trade on completion of the previous supply plus the volume allocation, right? मतलब यहाँ पे नीचे जाने के लिए भी उतना ही सरप्लस चाहिए, राइट? जितना सरप्लस कंटिन्यूटी में मिलेगा उतना सरप्लस में ही मूवमेंट अलोकेट होगी, राइट? ना उससे ज्यादा ना उससे कम. कीपिंग इन माइंड, राइट, हमारा 4 आवर्स का मेजर अलोकेशन, राइट? अगर मैं पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन यहां से लेता हूं ना, क्या हो गया, राइट? सो इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में दिस वाज माय हाई, दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट. जब फर्स्ट रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट ही कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, व्हाई विल आई लुक फॉर द सेकंड पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन, राइट? अगर मेरा फर्स्ट रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट यहाँ पे ब्रेक होती है, तब जाके मैं नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन का ये मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट लगाऊंगा ना. उससे पहले आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. सो एट द करेंट सिनेरियो, मेरे को संडे का जितना भी लोग यहाँ पे रनिंग में बैठे हैं ना, उनको आउट करना है, अगर मूवमेंट अच्छे तरीके से चाहिए तो, राइट? सो दिस इज वन. सेकेंड थिंग, शॉर्टर टाइम फ्रेम में हमारा बयासनेस लॉन्ग की तरफ क्यों है? क्योंकि इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में जितना हमारा प्रीवियस सप्लाई वो कंप्लीट होते हुए आई है, राइट? उस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में आज के दिन में, आज के दिन क्या, कल के नाइट 8:30 से ही मार्केट ने यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बिल्ड करके शुरू होके आज का दिन यहाँ पे ओपनिंग दी थी, करेक्ट? इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में व्हाट इज द वन मेजर थिंग दैट यू विल बी नोटिसिंग? सुबह में क्या बोला था, मार्केट एक रिट्रेसमेंट लेके लॉन्ग के तरफ ही जाएगा, करेक्ट? सो व्हाई? बिकॉज जो कल के दिन में जितने भी रनिंग में है ना, उन लोगों को निकालना है पहला. मार्केट इतना आसान तरीके से पैसे नहीं देगा, तो उनको निकालेगा पहला. निकालने के बाद अलोकेट होगा. डायरेक्ट अलोकेशन होता है, देन इट विल बी ए ब्लड बाथ इन द मार्केट, राइट? उसके लिए लिक्विडिटी चाहिए, सरप्लस होना चाहिए, राइट? सरप्लस लिक्विडिटी जनरेट होना चाहिए. सरप्लस लिक्विडिटी कहाँ पे जनरेट होता है? सरप्लस लिक्विडिटी गेट्स जनरेटेड ओनली व्हेन देयर इज a circulating supply. Okay? सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई जब जनरेट होती है, right, through a decentralized to decentralized exchange, that's when there will be a plan of action which will get changed. Okay, that's when the circulating supply gets increases, CS. When the CS gets increased, that's when the movement in single candles will be in 1,000 points. Up, down. Okay. Till that point of action, we will not be looking for any other plan of actions. 4 आवर्स में हमारा टारगेट हिट हुई है फर्स्ट रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट का, सेकेंड रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट का हिट नहीं हुआ है। वो कब हिट होगा? जब फर्स्ट रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ 4 आवर्स ब्रेक होगी, जो कि इन दिस सिनेरियो इज दिस वन 80,000 जब ब्रेक होगा, तब जाके हमारा नेक्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन होगा। सर एक्चुअली कंफ्यूज हो रहा है बीटीसी में, क्या कंफ्यूजन हो रही है बता दो भाई। सॉरी, लेकिन आप ये मैथमेटिक्स कैसे करते हो? कैलकुलेटर से? पॉपकैट यूएसडी चेक करो भाई। पॉपकैट मीम कॉइन्स में ट्रेड क्यों करते हो? अर्ली एक्सेस टू मनी देखना है क्या? सॉरी, पॉपकैट। डेफिनेटली डंप हो रहा होगा मार्केट। यो, कहाँ पे बैठे जनाब? अगर मार्केट 0.159 के नीचे क्लोज होती है, नेक्स्ट टारगेट इज डायरेक्टली 0.048 पॉपकैट का। कितना है इसका मार्केट कैप? भाई इसका मार्केट कैप तो पूरा मैनिपुलेटिव है। किस बेसिस पे इस पे ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट किए हो? इंस्टाग्राम हाइप के वजह से एग्जीक्यूट किए तो पैसा सेव कर लो। गुड इवनिंग महेश। इन गोल्ड कैन वी लुक फॉर ए रिजेक्शन एंड कंटिन्यूएशन? रिजेक्शन एज पर द प्रीवियस अलोकेशन। प्रीवियस अलोकेशन मतलब जितना नीचे के लिए सप्लाई जनरेट हुआ है ना, उतना डिमांड यहाँ पे जनरेट होती है, तब देख सकते हो वेंकट रमन, ठीक है? नॉट ट्राई टू दैट। गुड इवनिंग महेश। Mahesh, I think you must be having a doubt from the morning scenario to now in gold. ये तो पूछ लेना। 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम चेक करो भाई। जब डेली टाइम फ्रेम में गिर रहा है तो 1 आवर में चेक करके क्या करें? चलो, आपके मर्जी के हिसाब से वो भी चेक कर लेते हैं। आपको यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है? राइट, इस कैंडल अलोकेशन देख लेना एक बार। गुड इवनिंग योगेश, गुड इवनिंग राजीव। व्हाट डू यू नोटिस? सेलिंग प्रेशर है मार्केट में 1 आवर में भी। ये दिखावा का मुंह है ऊपर के लिए जो अभी जा रहा है। हल्का सा भी बीटीसी 1,000-2,000 पॉइंट नीचे आया ना, तो पॉपकैट डायरेक्टली 0.600 में आएगा। राइट, ये दिखावा है रिटेलर्स को। जो भी ये कॉइन क्रिएट किया है ना, वो ये इस महीना या नेक्स्ट मंथ के अंदर उसका सर्कुलेशन को वो डंप करेगा बाय 30 to 40%। कंफर्म्ड है ये। Booked 1200 points in BTC from recent up movement. Keep it up. Great job. Today, current gold running 0.75. Today, current gold running 0.375 to 890 and 0.5 2876. ये क्या है ये रचित? व्हाट इज दिस? अगर तुम मैथमेटिकल एज लगा रहे हो बीटीसी में, करो मत. डजंट वर्क. एग्जिट कर लूं भाई, अच्छा प्रॉफिट में हूं अभी. एमटीएसएल लेके चलो, सिस्टम ट्रेलिंग लगा के चलो. ये अच्छा प्रॉफिट है. आई एम नॉट demotivating or anything. This is just a positionative of a hype allocation what you guys are looking. मीम कॉइन से जितना दूर रह सकते हो उतना अच्छा है. मैक्स टू मैक्स $10 के अंदर देख सकते हो, उससे ऊपर नहीं. ओके. मीम कॉइन्स में अगर आप लोग ट्रेड्स एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हो, ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो, स्टार्टिंग में जब तक आप पूरी तरीके से नहीं सीखते हो, $10 के ऊपर जाना मत. ये जो आपने फॉर्मूला दिया है उसको अप्लाई किया. रचित, आपने जो फॉर्मूला यूज किया है वो है मैथमेटिकल एज. ओके, विच इज 1.0. 1.0 ओनली वर्क्स इन गोल्ड. ओके. यूज मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट 2.0 फॉर बीटीसी. ओके वैभव, एमटीएसएल लगा के चलना. सॉरी सॉरी गाइस. ओके ओके सर, थैंक्स. Anyone has any doubts? Hit the like button, guys. All the new members, welcome to the stream. If you're learning, if you're getting educated through the markets, do hit a like, share, and subscribe. Rajiv, how is the feeling of executing the trades from holding the trades from 300, 400 points to 1000 plus points? How is that feeling, Yogesh? Good. Happy for you, man. 600 पॉइंट शॉर्ट फ्रॉम MC2 रेंज इन BTC। भाई गोल्ड में भी कोई लॉन्ग कर लिया करो यार, बुरा मान जाएगा नहीं तो। कितना अच्छे से प्रीवियस सप्लाई को फॉलो करते हुए मूवमेंट जा रही है। Venkat, hope you have executed the trade. I applied the thing you mentioned. Take 0.01 lot and sit with it. So I sat with it. Good one. आप बोलने के बाद ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा तो कैसा होगा? Running with 80 pips. Great. This help with fear during running trades for a retail trader like me, thanks. This helped with fear during running trades for a retail trader like me, thanks. No worries. एक ब्रेक होगा, एक तूफान आएगा। Otherwise, on bigger quantities, I take TSL or SL. No, sir, miss the trade. No worries here. See, otherwise, on bigger quantities you're talking about, right? When will you not take an SL, right? SL तो हर कोई देता है. That's a difference in it. Okay? कितना देना चाहिए? छोटा सा. होल्ड कितना करना चाहिए? जितना मूवमेंट अलोकेशन होता है उतना, राइट? जितना मैथमेटिकल नंबर बताता है उतना, राइट? उतना होल्डिंग में रहना कंपलसरी है। वो कब सीखोगे? जब आप स्टार्ट करोगे, राइट? एज अ रिटेलर, अगर आपका कैपिटल है $100, ओके, स्टार्ट विथ 0.05. If your capital is $1,000, start with 0.5. If your capital is $10,000, start with 5. Why? These numbers are very important. First 3 trades, it will be easier for you. In the scenario, if your first 3 trades goes green over here, increase your quantity to 0.1. If your first 3 trades goes green over here, increase it to 1. First 3 trades goes into the green, increase it to 10. Okay. You increased it to 1, post 1. If you complete 3 successful green trades in zero point 0.1. Then you look for 0.2. Okay. And if you fail even one trade in 3 trades over here with 0.2, what you will be doing? You will be moving back to 0.1. Okay. Same. 3 successful trades. Post 3 successful trades, what you will be doing? You will be moving it to the next step. 2. 3 successful green tips, you will move ahead. If not, you will come back to one lot. Okay. Same scenario again over here. 3 successful trades in 10, move to 15. Okay. One failed in 3 trades, come back to 10. Do it till the time you gain your own self confidence. Right? Once you gain the overall self confidence, right, then you can hold whatever the value is. Your mind will not get disturbed when you're in the trade. Only one condition. What is that one condition? The one condition is this: whatever you're doing with the capital, the trade should be executed in consistent way, right? Consistently matlab I'm not saying you to trade over trade it. I'm saying it to you, trade consistently. मतलब अगर दिन में तुमको 3 ट्रेड मिल रही है तो 3 ट्रेड से ज्यादा मत लो. फोर्थ ट्रेड दिख रहा है अच्छा खासा तो भी मत लो 3 ट्रेड्स. Right? You have set a rule of one trade. Stick to one trade. Right? If you're stuck to 0 trades, don't trade. Just procrastinate the things. यार ये ट्रेड ले लेता तो मजा आ जाता. शिट ये ट्रेड मिस हो गई. शिट. अगर वो करना है तो ट्रेड मत लो, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन करते रहो. Okay? Always remember to the zone of whatever you are setting the rule that should be mentioned in the general. Hope you guys are maintaining the general. Okay? And that general should be handwritten. When you handwrite it, that's when you will understand the mistakes faster and you can implement on that mistakes and make your strategy strong. Not prior to that, not after that, nothing. Okay? Just make sure that you do all these things. Post that, you will definitely, all of you guys will be the best in the markets. No one like you will be there in the markets. Trust me on this. These are the only things you need, right? I am not saying you to do geopolitical reference पढ़ो करके नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, reports देखो करके नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, right? At the current stage, I am not saying you anything to do. I'm just saying you to what to do. I'm saying you to just work on your current circumstances with the proper plan of action. Proper plan of action कैसे होना चाहिए? मतलब खुद को विश्वास नहीं होना चाहिए कि क्या कर रहे हो, right? Ghost yourself, ghost your mind for 6 months. Present में रहो, सबसे मिलो, मेरे को उससे कुछ मतलब नहीं है, right? Whatever you're doing to improve yourself, don't speak with anyone. Just keep it to you, not even your parents. राइट? नुकसान हो रहा है, प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, कुछ किसी भी काम में, जस्ट नॉट इन ट्रेडिंग, बिजनेस, यू आर मेकिंग ए स्टार्टअप, डोंट से एनीवन, राइट? Work on it for 6 months just by yourself. Feel the loneliness while working, right? Definitely you will not get the steps to work on, right? you will definitely think that I'm failing over here, right? First month you will think you will fail. Second month you will think you will fail. Third month you will think you will fail. The fourth month, the mindset what you will be having post the meditation, post the consistency, post the understanding, right? You will just be bonkers by yourself what just happened, right? The fourth month, you will never trust yourself ki like I was this person 4 months back. That's the makeover you guys want, right? Work, 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 no results. Work, 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 no results. Work, 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 boom. Overnight success here. But no one knows the strategy behind it that you have slogged your asses to get to that position. So that's what consistency means. You don't have to see anyone that you're working, right? If you use Instagram, post funny reels, right? Let them think that you're just making fun out of yourself. But the work, what you're representing to yourself, is much more needed than the work that you are showcasing it to the world, right? Work in silence, let the car make the voice. ये मेरा कोट नहीं है, मेरा दोस्त का है। मेरा अलग ही है। वो बोलता है, ओके, इतना खामोशी से काम करो कि जो गाड़ी उस घर के सामने से गुजरे तो सोचना चाहिए वो बंदा कौन था या बंदी कौन थी. And he has achieved it in 5 years. Okay, so that's how the motivation works, and motivation doesn't work every day यार. स, बात सच्ची है बट कड़वी है. Only one thing works, that is, okay, आज motivated हो, काम कर रहे हो, मस्त काम हुआ, right? Second, एक दिन मोटिवेशन नहीं रहते हो, कंसिस्टेंट हो, चलता है, राइट? बट कंप्लीशन होना चाहिए, राइट? थर्ड डे यू गॉट मोटिवेटेड, वेल एंड गुड. Fourth day there was no motivation, work. Fifth day there was no motivation, work. Sixth day no motivation, work. Seventh day there was a motivation, you work little more harder. One thing what works in this entire journey is how consistent were you in the markets, or in the business, or in the startup, or in the understandings, or in the relationship. Whatever the scenario, the formula is only one. How consistent are you, and how strong are you by your will that you want to achieve that? That's the only thing that you want. हाँ सर, सही कहा आपने. Right? What do I drive? I don't drive. I use chauffeur driven cars. Good evening, Imran. How are you? Hit the like button, guys. आज ट्रेड से ज्यादा बातें हो गई शायद. Anyways, sir, I got three successful trades with 0.03, 0.03, and 0.04. Then I increased it to 0.1. Then gave SL of 300 points and one at CTC, right? what is SL? Okay, New York session में दे रहे हो, then the circumstances is different. If you're giving it in an Asian session, the circumstances is different. Okay, एक SL दिए हो, make sure that you move to 0.02 again. 3 consecutive trades, then move ahead, not prior to that. उससे पहले move मत होना. Every time when you're compounding, when you're increasing your positions, make sure that 3 consecutive trades increase, 3 consecutive trades increase, 3 consecutive trades, one fail, get back to the previous one. Okay, भाई क्या कर रहा है यार? एक कैंडल के आपको ऊपर नीचे खिला दी आप तो. Sir, what we look for for reversal in higher time frames in this setup? 1 hour. So before that, Imran, morning वाला short trade कितना points capture किया या SL दिया? वो बताइए. Right, 1 hour में आओ. At this point of interest, what do you notice? Do we have the volume break? Nope. Right? Definitely direction is towards bullish at the current scenario. कहाँ तक जाएगा? जितना हमारा previous allocation point है वहां तक. In this scenario, how do you look into the circumstances? The circumstances is very clear. जितना मेरा current movement यहाँ पे allocate हुआ है, उतना मेरा next point of action मैं यहाँ पे देखूंगा. Right? So in this point of action, my next target will be till 2911. Okay. But no, वो 80 pips ले लिया. 80 pips ले लिया मतलब you closed at 80 pips, huh? Okay. So at this current stage, what is the one thing that you have to follow? Follow the previous increments. Okay. With the previous increments, look into the circumstances of current candle increment. How will you look into the current candle increment? This is your current candle increment. What is your current candle increment saying? Still 13 minutes to close in 4 hours. Okay. So when the market tend to close, if the market closes with this positionality, the market will go up, closure the liquidity range, and then continue. That is the price action that you guys have to be looking at the current scenario. Okay. Nothing else. क्यों पूरा 150 ले लेते? Good evening, Malli Babu sir. Any doubts you are having? Okay. 4 hours में वॉल्यूम आया है, 1 आवर में नहीं. तो 1 आवर जितना मेरा 15 मिनट्स का टारगेट रेंज है वहां तक मैं देखूंगा, उससे ज्यादा नहीं. ओके. नो. ओके मल्ली बाबू. All the new members, welcome to the stream. कोई भी डाउट है पूछ सकते हो in regards to the markets. If you're liking the learnings, if you're implementing it, if the content is good, hit a like, share, and subscribe. Yes. एंड पीपल हु आर बैक टेस्टिंग, नोट्स बनाओ, नोट्स बना के उस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन से पूछो डाउट्स कहाँ कहाँ पे आ रहा है। एंड जितने भी लोग संडे के सेशंस अटेंड किए थे वो लोग प्लीज डू आस्क बैक टेस्ट वॉल्यूम एंड इंड्यूसमेंट्स विथ लिक्विडिटीज। जो भी डाउट अलोकेशन दिख रही है पूछ लो, नोट्स बना लो। गुड मॉर्निंग अंश, गुड इवनिंग अंश। सर बीटीसी में रिवर्सल, बीटीसी में कंफ्यूज हूँ, रिवर्सल एरिया बीटीसी का एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दो, बस एक बार। हाँ हाँ कर देंगे, कोई डाउट नहीं, कर देंगे। और रचित, ज्यादा कंफ्यूज मत करना खुद को, ओके। 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम पे ये सेटअप को आइडेंटिफाई करना, नथिंग मोर देन दिस, ओके। 1 2 3, दिस फॉर बुलिश मार्केट्स। 1 2 3, दिस फॉर बेरिश मार्केट्स। ये दो जहां जहां पे दिखता है तुम्हें, वहां वहां से मार्केट रिवर्सल होगा 1 आवर पे, ओके। These are the only two things you required to work on to identify reversal zones in BTC. Nothing more than that. Sir, Namaskar. I found your channel yesterday itself and following you, wondering if you have any videos about basic. Namaskar, Naresh ji. Welcome to the channel. Thank you. Sir, the basic first video is about mathematical edge, right? That if you're working on gold, that is the first thing that you have to look for, okay. If you work in other markets, you look for mathematical edge 2.0, inducements, right? And how to identify the volume. You required only these three things in the market, sir. For coming 3 months, you required only these three things to be the best at trading. Definitely, supply and demand is part of it. Okay. You just require this 4 videos. If you understand this 4 videos, definitely back test it, forward test it, and live test it. Okay. With that plan of action, you will be able to allocate any kind of trades in any of the markets, right? If you are a gold trader, you will use MC 1.0, okay, plus 2.0. If you are not a gold trader, only MC 2.0, inducement, volume, supply and demand are the videos that you need, sir. Okay. Don't complicate anything, right? You don't have to look for anything else. These are the only 4 things you want. And if you get any doubts, you can ask here. I will explain it to you in live itself so that you can get a better understanding. हंस जी कोई ट्रेड लिए थे सुबह में? थैंक यू। यू वेलकम नरेश। Keep learning, and in that perspective, whatever doubt you guys get, you can ask, right? You could get the reward for the same. No. Okay. हंस जी एक शॉर्ट देख सकते हो? ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडल रिजेक्शन के साथ जब आता है तब डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था। ओके, ड्यू टू इंटरनेट इश्यूज, नो वरीज हंस जी। ओके, गॉट इट। ओके, रचित रचित का डाउट था ना? सो रचित 1 आवर में जहां जहां पे तुम्हें त्रिशूल दिख रही है, that are the plan of actions where you will be look for a trade. One, right? Two, three. I'm talking reversals, huh? Only reversals. Four. जहां जहां पे आपको त्रिशूल दिखेगा, make sure that that are the points where the market will reject from. Five. Okay. So understand the external liquidity points and allocate it. Six. Every reversal area you will find an external liquidity zone. With that external liquidity zone, you can allocate the trades accordingly. Hey, very good evening, Amit. I'm doing great. How are you? And welcome to the family. Great. Good to hear that, man. Whatever doubts you get in regards to the market, definitely you can shoot over here in the comments. You will get the reply back for the same. It's ranging from last 4 days. Okay. So the perspective wise, if I look, if I want to be looking for an reversal or something as such, in 1 hour, I will be looking for an volume spike. Okay. So in this scenario, if this candle closes within 1 minute with an high volume range, This will be the reversal area. This will where I'll be looking for an execution for one side directions of today. Okay. With that perspective, there is one thing that you have to keep in mind again is that 15 minutes major assortment. What is the major assortment all about? The major assortment is let this range of allocation is there, right? This range of allocation to grab a small sell side presentation with the sell side presentation movement towards the long, right? Not directly. There should be a presentation which will go towards the short. With that allocation only, we will be looking towards the long, not prior to that. And that's totally fine when there is a range, right? And this range is totally all about 200 pips. So in this scenario, we captured around 150 pips plus. So we are completed with 2 rounds of trades, and third round of trade is in the evening what we are currently looking for. So the scenarios are simple. If the market shows a presentation towards the down in the bearish movement and represents all the retailers in this position, with this position, we'll be looking for a movement towards the bullish side post the hunt. Okay, not directly. If it's going directly, definitely it will go for a range, showcase a rejection, and continue. If we want a nice 300 pips movement, the only one thing that we have to look for is a representation which the retailers get hyped off and execute the trades towards the short. Because in this scenario, if you put a fib level from this point to this point, the market is trading in between 0.5 to 0.6. Let them get executed. With that execution, continuity. सर BTC का फॉर्मूला बताओ. Swing high minus swing low, whatever the formulative number you get. With that formulative number, what you will be doing is you will be subtracting if the market is bearish with the retracement point, add the formulative point into golden ratio, which is 1.618. Okay. Example, at the current scenario, ये मेरा swing low है, ये मेरा swing high है, and ये मेरा retracement point है. So this is 1 minus this is 2, right? आपको एक formulative number निकलेगा, that will be your FN, right? So retracement point is our 3. So 3, the direction क्या है आज का? Bullish है. 3 plus FN into the golden ratio, right? 1.618. Yeah. So this is the plan of actions that you have to work on. Okay. A to Z government jobs. Oh, so you trade mathematically. Yes. So the levels, what you see, they are all mathematical numbers. Not the random numbers. नहीं, कोई बात नहीं है। यू वेलकम, कीप लर्निंग। कोई भी डाउट्स आता है पूछ लेना। A to Z बुलाऊंगा, गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स नहीं बोलूंगा, सॉरी। ओके, A to Z। नो वरीज रचित, बैक टेस्ट करो, जो भी डाउट्स आता है पूछो। ओके। So from that mathematical number, the market will reject and we are trading that. No, we execute the trades through the mathematical numbers in the reversal zones, right? Identify the inducements, allocate the directions through the volumes. With the volumes, we identify the rejections. With the rejections, we sit in the trade till the mathematical numbers. सर अभी लॉन्ग की ट्रेड देखनी है गोल्ड पर? नहीं नहीं अंश जी, एक रिजेक्शन आएगा, उस रिजेक्शन के बाद लेट द रिजेक्शन कंप्लीट। ये जो रिजेक्शन है ना, वो रिजेक्शन कंप्लीट होना चाहिए। Oh, so they are targets. Yes, they are targets as well as they are the reversal areas as well. Okay. अंश जी, completion होने दो, post completion only. Don't look into the trades directly. Okay, thanks. You're welcome. Sir, explain कर दे लॉन्ग की ट्रेड एज ऑफ नाउ कैसे देखनी है। यहाँ पे रिटेलर्स को हंट करने दो, बिटाने दो, राइट? बिटाने के बाद रिजेक्शन के साथ जो कंटिन्यूटी में आती है तभी। ओके, हमारा लॉन्ग ऑफ एक्शन प्लान होगा, उससे पहले नहीं। क्योंकि फिबोनाची रिट्रेसमेंट का लेवल है, राइट? रिटेलर्स विल बी लुकिंग फॉर एन एग्जीक्यूशन टुवर्ड्स द शॉर्ट, उनको बिटाने के बाद मूवमेंट ऑफ अलोकेशन। ओके। Hit the like button, guys. Whatever anyone has having any kind of doubts, please do ask. नीलेश, जीबीपी बैक टेस्टिंग होने के बाद मूव टू एथेरियम, ठीक है? So jumble with the charts so that you don't get stuck with the same patterns. Mahesh, how is your back testing going on? अगस्त्य एलोकेशन हो चुकी है, देख लेना एक बार. ओके. नहीं नहीं अरुंधति मैम रहने दो. दे शुड बी ऑलवेज बाई की ट्रेड ले लूं गोल्ड पर. नहीं नहीं अंश जी अभी भी रिजेक्शन ले रहा है, वेट कीजिए. 15 मिनट्स का सेकेंड कैंडल रेड क्रिएट हो रही है, बिटाने दो. रेट 0.6 लेवल है, लेट एवरीवन सिट इनटू द डाउन साइड ट्रेड्स ना. उसके बाद नॉट प्रायर टू दैट. Can you give me an overview of your strategy and how you trade? If not, all good. Hey, no, there is nothing as such, man. We are here to share, right? We use the mathematical calculations as per the swings. We use the golden ratio formula. We use the intermediate ratios, and we use regiment ratios. With these three ratios, we allocate the trades regarding to the swings and the retracement points, right? That will be our reversal areas, and with that reversal areas we allocate the trades through the inducements. Okay, once the inducement gets created, through the inducements we allocate the supply and demand. Through the supply and demand we hold on to the trade till the mathematical numbers through the formulas whatever we get, right? Anji, what is market doing? Retailers को बिटा रहा है, बिटाने दो ना. Why are you hurrying over here? Okay, thanks. We do have live trades which we have executed, Amit. If you want, you can check it out. So we have uploaded about gold, right? Tomorrow you will have about Indian sessions. Day after tomorrow you will have about BTC. And it's not this concept is just not about one thing. It's about it will give you an attention to grab and hold and patience to wait, right? And allocate the trades at the right moment and capture the right points till the right price action. So we follow a rule from where? It's in the YouTube section only. If you go to the home page, you will see live trade execution tab, right? So in that we have uploaded it. So you can look into it. So recent three videos, what we have represented, all the three videos are with the live examples. It's just not explained in the shorter forms. It's been executed as well as been proved and showcased in the same videos. 1200 points running. After completing big demand, let's say 3 4 candles, price stays sideways, that demand allocation range and create a small demand and supply, then continues the movement on downside. In that case, for measuring the next move, which previous demand and supply, we should consider the big 3 4 candles demand and supply created when it was sideways in the next case of supply, which previous supply considered previous to the big 3 4 candles demand or in between when the price was sideways. Okay, Nilesh, good question, good doubt. अगर आप टाइम मेंशन कर दोगे so that I can explain it to you particularly how to look into it. Okay, just mention the time. Okay, Nilesh, give me an example so can I can get an idea ki what you're trying to explain. Where exactly you're getting stuck so that I can give you an example regards to the same. I didn't see it yet. I just got that doubt. Will tell you as I find it. So definitely, right? If you can give me a rough figure, ki like how you were looking at, right? We can if you're looking in perspective of 3 4 big candles also, no, we can look in today's scenario only. How did the market move? Okay, what did the market do in the morning time? In the morning time, what was it looking like? Okay, market was slow and steadily falling, right? So slow and steadily market was falling, right? So the volume, what was the volume preferably at this point of time? As per the 1 hour, all the big candles were indicating a bearish moment, correct? One, two, three, four, right? Even this current candle was indicating the bearish moment. At this point of action, if you get big movements, just for an example, this is a sideways zone, right? In this sideways zone, you have got one big demand over here, creation of one, two, three, right? As per your example, right? Post that, the target is hit as per the mathematical number, right? What is the first thing that you have to do? Identify the nearest inducement range. This is your nearest inducement range. Allocate the trade. Okay. Allocation is done. With the allocation, what is the next thing you have to do? Identify the previous retracement supply. Where is the previous retracement supply of the completion? Not anywhere in this zone, right? Movement, movement, movement. This was your previous retracement candle, correct? The last retracement in the bearish side. Measure that out. Okay. And allocate the same measurements over here, right? What did the market do? Market took as per the requirement, jitna chahiye utna hi rejection liya. From this point of action, what you will be doing, you will be just calculating the supplies. If the market is in the zone, no worries. If there is a movement in the scenario of like this, one, two, three big candles, right? But what should be the retracement point? The retracement point should be this much as per the previous demand, right? At this scenario, what do you notice? The demand was doubled over here, and with that position, 50% was the rejection range. Okay, still the market is in the same zone, correct? Till the time market doesn't break any of the structures, neither this point of action, neither this point of action, nor the completion moment. What you will be trying to doing over here is point of action may you don't preferably look for 400 500 points, right? In this structure you will just be allocating a direction in the substitute, sorry, you will be allocating a direction with the substituents of the POI range, right? So whatever the movement you are getting, you will be just playing around with this numbers, right? This will be your supply and demand, what you'll be playing around with. You won't be adding this point of action till the time there is no break out of the zone. Once the break is out of the zone, that's when you will be looking for the next circumstantial moves, not prior to that. Okay. Hi sir, on 15 minutes chart of Solana USDT, I took two trades. First was in buy side, one candle moved in my direction, then SL got hit. And second, I tried selling and SL got hit. The zone was just before the big candle. Okay. So are you talking of today's range, Prashant? आज के दिन की बात कर रहे हैं? If you're talking about today, your mathematical numbers are, this is your swing low, right? This is your swing high. This is your retracement point. Okay. I will give you the values. Make the mathematical addition at this point. The points are 128.5, 128.40 minus 124.08, right? Whatever the formulative number you get, you make an addition from 126.56 plus the formulative number into 1.618 and into 2. Do this to intermediate and golden ratio 1, right? So post that, you will be seeing that market is taking the rejection from the same point, 130, 130. So at this point of range, your SL should be of 40 pips because it's New York session. And here, why are you playing in this small range? Locate the supply and demand. With that supply and demand, you will definitely identify the movement, right? If you notice, this was your first demand, right? Post completion of your first demand, what did market do? Market took the rejection of only that much which was required. Post that, market immediately took a reversal and went on to the direction to complete the target, right? So at this point of action, you have done it wrong. And now, if you're looking for a short, your swing high should be this, which is 130.89. Your swing low will be 128.30. Your retracement point will be 129.64. Right? Subtract 129.64 minus the formulative number, right, into 1.618 and into 2. That is what the target that market will give you here at the current range. Okay. Good evening, Anupam. Both trade was on second demand. Why? Right? Why didn't you execute the trade in one direction of mathematical calculations? It was clear, right? That buy took my SL. How will that buy take your SL when you're not sitting in a direction? So I changed my view because you didn't trade as per the math and not as per the market. You trained as per your view. So market tend to hunt your SL. That's it. Okay. मल्ली बाबू सर आपका मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा सा गलत है. RBG and GMRG, good evening. Good evening, Anupam ji. How much did you capture in the morning? 150 plus 180 running. Okay, Prashant? No worries. फर्स्ट टाइम है चलेगा, सेकंड टाइम है चलेगा, 4 बार के ऊपर रिपीट मत करना, उतना ही. You have done the math. Once you have done the math, you have allocated the demand, right? The demand is allocated, the inducement 2 is created. With that inducement 2, market has given the move, right? So the direction should be always with the allocations, right? So going forward, make sure that you just don't give the SLs by just a small change of mindset. Good evening, Venkat. Good evening, Sarji. Okay. Oh, sir, what will happen in Bandhan Bank? बंधन तो साल का बंधन. भाई इसे भूल जाओ तुम, राइट? टेक दिस स्विंग लो, okay? Swing high, retracement point. Do the mathematical number, okay? Prior to that, look for a reversal range. ये number डालो 210.88, right? Your swing low will be 167.02. Your retracement point will be 180. Sorry, your retracement point will be 189.91. So इस point of action से 1.618 and 2 को निकालो, intermediate ratio and golden ratio. With that golden ratios, look for an allocation. अगर इस point of action का point of view break हो चुका है या sustain हो रही है, well and good, right? अगर इस point of view का 1.6 and 2 यहाँ पे break हो चुका है, take the execution of this point. This point of execution is at 100 over here. Okay? अगर मार्केट कंटिन्यूटी में गिरेगा तो 100 तक गिरेगी. थैंक्स सर, मजा आ गया. किस में मजा आ गया रचित? इन मॉर्निंग आई हैव टेकन एन एसएल ऑफ 20 pips. ओके. Target was 133.495 as per the golden ratio. Target was 133. Sorry, 15 minutes. 133.45. Market went down till 131.54, right? It's a really good number. अब इस point of action में भी अगर आप MTSL यहाँ पे लेके चल रहे हो, 120 में 129 पे आप exit होते, right? That's the price action that you will be looking at. So forget about the past. At the current scenario, this is your swing high, right? This is your swing high, this is your swing low. With this point of action, this is your retracement point. Do the formulative number and check what is the market doing. Till where will the market go? Alright? And with that action will be your next plan of action, not prior to that. Formula work कर रहा है back testing. Okay, great. Forward testing करो रचित. Go chart में जाओ. Go chart open करो. Replay mode में एक particular date निकालो, right? जब जब तुम्हें इंड्यूसमेंट रेंज दिखता है, जब जब त्रिशूल दिखता है, उस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन से मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस करो, राइट? You will understand why the market is taking the rejections. Guys, be ready. Retailers को ट्रैप कर चुका है, बिटा चुका है सब लोगों को यहाँ पे. गोल्ड में सब लोगों को बिटा चुका है. At the present, waiting for the volume candle of 1 hour to close, as volume are not as high as yesterday. That's right. It will fall till 125.37. Okay, Rachit, do the back testing. Sir, in Bandhan Bank, as per your high and low, the golden ratio is 165.9. My average price is 153.4. So it will come out without loss. Yes, sir, I will. सर उससे पहले मैंने और एक चीज आपको चेक करने बोला था, करेक्ट वेंकट जी? व्हाट वाज दैट? बेरिश मूवमेंट का स्विंग हाई स्विंग लो बताया था, वो भी करो. The golden ratio and intermediate is 124.35. Yes. All the new members, welcome to the stream. If you guys are learning, if you're enjoying while learning, hit the like, share, and subscribe. रनिंग में मत बैठना प्रशांत. क्या हो गया? Renew. Sir, in this bearish swing, how could, sir, in this bearish swing, how one could have made entry? In this bearish swing, how one could have made an entry? To understand that scenario, come to 1 hour. What do you notice in 1 hour? Market is in a POI range. Okay, you're trading in a POI range. In a POI range, hardly you will get much inducement ranges, right? Follow the inducement 2 pattern. How is the inducement 2 pattern creates over here? If the market is falling, at one point of action, market will create an wick and creation. There will be an insider candle, right? Let the candle close in green. With this, let the candle take a rejection and continue towards the long. Okay, first plan of action. If the market is going up, market has taken a rejection, candle doesn't matter here as well, here as well. Whichever color it is, that's totally fine. The next candle should be red, right? Continuity, the third candle should be with the rejection and continuity. Okay, so this is the plan of action. Here, third candle entry, here, third candle entry. Okay, SL will be of 40 pips. Okay, let's see the examples in the chart. right? So, in as per today's scenario, demand completed, one candle closure. Post that, you got a candle closure over here, right? With that candle closure, your entry could be here in 126.91, right? Keeping in mind your target is over here, right? You will trail in the go. सेम चीज शॉर्ट की तरफ कहाँ पे बैठना था, रिजेक्शन कंप्लीटेड, कैंडल क्लोज, फर्स्ट कैंडल कंप्लीशन, with the first candle completion, execution. This is the plan of action that you will be looking at. Okay. 2815. Okay. Swing low is at 2898. 2898. Okay. Retracement point 2904. Formulative number 17.53, GR 2876, IL 2870. Is it correct? No, Mali Babu sir, wrong. Right? Your first swing high will be this. As per today, right? In today's calculation, this is your swing high. This is your swing low, right? This is your retracement point. So your swing high will be 2918.385. Your swing low will be 2907.580. Your retracement point will be 2915.590. Okay, Mali Babu sir. For to remove the confusions, I will just give you the markings. Hey Samad, good evening. Swing high, swing low. This is your retracement, Mali Babu sir. Okay. So I've given you the three numbers. Okay. Prashant, don't repeat the same mistakes again. Okay. Learn from the mistakes. Four times is what the market will give you. Agar if you're repeating the mistakes more than four times, give yourself a break for at least 1 month. Okay. hit the like button, guys. And all the new members, कुछ भी doubt है पूछ सकते हो. How is your back testing going on, Samat? Formulative number is 11.36, golden ratio 28.97, intermediate ratio 28.93. Where is exactly market standing currently, Malibabu sir? 28.97, right? So that's how you look for an allocation point. If this breaks, then the market will tend to come down till 28.93 and start to take the reversal. Okay. Good going. Done math calculation on 100 plus charts. How is the results, Samar? सर रिप्ले इधर ही दे दो चलेगा, एलटीडी में ही दे दो, यूट्यूब में देने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप इधर पूछ लो, आप एक्सप्लेनेशन उधर सुन लेना अपना ही. 60% accurate. Then you have to work yourself more on understanding the math. So which are the charts and what are the formulas that you're working on, right? And which formula are you working on? If you're working on math 1.0, in some of the charts, I'm facing issue with checking retracement points. Yes. Understood, sir. Day's high is swing high now. Yes, that's right. बेरिश में गलत हो बेरिश में गलत हो रहा है, बीटीसी में ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. I'm working on 2.0. Then definitely the accuracy will be more than 98%, Samar. Not 60, 98. Right? Lovely. क्या गलत हो रहा है रचित? क्लियर कट था, करेक्ट? ये आपका स्विंग हाई है, ये आपका स्विंग लो है, ये आपका रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट है. No, with Akaishi candles, you won't get right retracement points. Okay? Beautiful, guys. Almost target hit. TP1 almost hit होने वाला है, which is 81,200. नीलेश, hope you understood the circumstances. आपने पूछा था daily में bearish है, then why were we bullish in today's circumstances? Because we wanted to hunt the liquidity of the retailers who sat in running on Sunday. That was the only thing the market went up to take. Good job, Varun. Is there any way of checking correct retracement points? Okay, let me help you out with this. Samarth, use 1 hour time charts, right, to identify the major allocation points, right? So through that major allocation points, try doing it. Okay? Yes, sir. So always remember where the liquidity is sitting and where exactly the market is taking the rejection. Amit, if you're there in the screen, this was a mathematical number which is 83,771. Through that point of action, market took an rejection. From that point of action till now, the market has given a break nicely with the movement allocations of 2,500 points. And Prashant, जो आपका टारगेट था आपका टारगेट भी हिट हो चुकी है, राइट? एग्जिट कर सकते हो. Everyone's target is hit. Solana target hit, gold target hit, BTC target hit. A BTC yet to break. If it breaks, we will extend our demand to 150%. On the break, we will extend it to 150% for the targets, guys. Only on the break. Major allocations means can you show it on this BTC chart? So take 1 hour time frame, right? What is the major allocation point? Allocate it with this time frame, right? This is one target hit. Take this is the swing high, this is the swing low, this is the retracement point. Target hit, right? Change the point of action. One, two, three. Target hit. You got an inducement range. Inducement three break. Internal liquidity generated with the external liquidity generated with the rejection continuity, right? So again, same point of action. Your swing high will be this, your swing low will be this, your retracement point will be this, right? Every point of action, the major allocations will be identified with the right retracement points. Sir, one such example I found GBP 15 minutes 26th Feb from 2015 till. Yes, sir, finally understood. Thanks. Okay, let's come to GBP. Guys, be ready for a long trade. Gold mein. Ansji, now because retailers are getting trapped from this point of action, we will look for an allocation. Okay. And volume is also spiked. The candle allocation is towards the bullishness. We need to have one consolidation in 50, sorry, one inducement in 15 minutes with that inducement continuity. जितने भी लोग वेट कर रहे हैं उन लोगों के लिए. इमरान, आई होप इवनिंग सेशन में कोई ट्रेड नहीं लिया है, राइट? फॉर यू एज वेल. GBP USD, right, Nilesh? Feb 25th, 8:15. Yes, no trade so far. Look for a long side with the rejection, okay? इंड्यूसमेंट बिल्ड होते ही एक रिजेक्शन अलोकेट होगा इमरान, उस रिजेक्शन के साथ कंटिन्यूटी में देखना, डोंट सिट इन द हरी। हाँ जी, सेम आपको भी वही है। 25th नीलेश, यूटीसी, यूटीसी में है राइट, 8:15 इज यूटीसी राइट। ये तो इंड्यूसमेंट दिखा रहा है मेरे को, यूटीसी और इंडियन टाइमिंग एक बार बता देना प्लीज। आई एम लुकिंग एट गो चार्टिंग, there I can't see UTC और इंडियन टाइमिंग। ओके, हाउ डज इट लुक? इंड्यूसमेंट रेंज है या कैसा है मूवमेंट वहां पे? सॉरी, इंडियन टाइम, माय मिस्टेक, नो वरीज यार, यू डोंट हैव टू बी सॉरी। इंडियन टाइमिंग, ओके, 8:15। सो व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग डाउट ओवर हियर? क्या डाउट है? राइट, देयर इज नो डाउट एट ऑल। Your previous supply multiply the version, with this version you will get an allocation point. Okay, with the allocation point, what you will be doing, you will be doing the math. How will you be allocating the math over here? The math will be from the point of action of the swing low 1.26.058, right? Swing high will be at, sorry, swing high will be at 1.26341. Swing retracement point will be at 1.26295, right? At this scenario, market took a rejection, created a equal highs over here, right? With the equalize, inside candle was generated. With the inside candle, the market, what did it created? The market created a movement analysis of a down bend, right? The down bend में आने के बाद, what is the first thing that you will be allocating? Your previous demand, right? The previous demand was allocated, market went on running. So what you will be doing over here, you will just allocating the supply steadily. Okay, so ये completion यहाँ तक clear है। अभी इस point of action में what is the next thing that you will be looking for? The next thing that you will be looking over here is for an rejection prospection, sorry, rejection perspectives. And where are the rejection perspectives and how is that looking? Right, rejection perspectives have been looked not here, not here, not here, right? Because at this point of action the inducement was definitely created, no doubt. No sir, something is different, that is not the area. Okay, आप फिर से एक बार ट्रेडिंग व्यू में चेक करके बता देना व्हाट इज द एरिया को, ठीक है? I will explain in that random. Sir, today I am not that well, sir. Running your live session in a staggered on. Take rest. Mine's not an issue at all. Okay. Yes, sir. Thanks. Sir, hope I am in a good direction. Yes, definitely you are in a good direction. But the execution was in a wrong place. But the direction is good. Okay. On the break, sustainability, continuity, boom. शॉर्ट ट्रेड क्यों नहीं लिया था जब बोला था लेने तेरे को? हम्म. कोई नहीं, that's fine. Hold it till the demand completion. First supply completion. Okay. ए तू टॉगल कर रहा था पेज, तू ब्रेक लिया था बोल रहे हो. राइट. फर्स्ट सप्लाई जो है ना, उतना पहला अलोकेशन डालो. On trading view 25th Feb 2 o'clock to 27 1:30 UTC. Okay. Yes, that's right. That's right, Samarth. गलत है. प्रीवियस, हाँ वही है. उससे पहले वाला यार, इस तरफ का. यस. ओके. 25th 14. ओके. सेम पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन था ना बाबा. 26th Feb. ओके, सॉरी. 26th 14. Okay. From this range to 27th 1:30. Sir, beautiful, sir. Keep it up. Keep it up, everyone. On 15 minutes, is one partner inducement enough, or do we have to look for more than one? रिजेक्शन पर्सपेक्टिव यार. इमरान, यहाँ पे इंड्यूसमेंट टू वर्क होता है ना, इंड्यूसमेंट वर्क नहीं वर्क होता है. 1 hour volume candles is in gold is dispatching buyers pressure above this waiting for an buyer's opportunity. Great, great. दिनेश, वो कंप्लीट होने के बाद अगर सस्टेन कंटिन्यूटी आती है, राइट, एमटीएसएल डाल के मूवमेंट टू द नेक्स्ट टारगेट व्हिच इज 194, सॉरी 1914. ओके. सो नीलेश, I'll come to this point. Okay, trades चल रहा है. So 130 I'll mark and keep. This is the range, right? We will definitely look into it. Okay. थोड़ा टाइम दे दो. So what is running over here in 15 minutes? In 15 minutes, market is showing a pressure of an inducement 2, right? What is inducement 2, Imran? Inducement 2 is an perspective of market creating one pressure out, right? With the one pressure out, market will give an insider candle. With the insider candle, rejection and continuity, right? So this is inducement 2. When the volume is generated, what do we notice? At this point of range in 1 hour, was this volume the highest volume of the day? आज के दिन में ये पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन जो है, सबसे बड़ा वॉल्यूम आज के दिन में ये जनरेट हुई है, करेक्ट? इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में अभी क्या करना चाहिए था? ओके, वॉल्यूम अलोकेशन यहाँ पे हुई थी, डेफिनेटली बायर्स प्रेशर यहाँ पे दिख गया था. right? What did I say? Next candle rejection, execute the trade. At this point of action, what is the one thing that you will be looking for? The one thing that you will be looking for is 15 minutes one candle rejection, right? When the market was at this place, next candle was this, rejection and continuity was your execution. Okay? No worries, Imran. Miss हो गया है तो that's totally fine. Next point of allocation में you will get an point of action. अंबिका MTSL कहाँ पे है? दिनेश MTSL कहाँ पे है? ट्रेंड लाइन डालो. Guys, why you guys are not following the MTSL? Execute the MTSL, hold on to the trades. म्यूट में डाल भाई. हो गया. गाइस एक कैंडल कंटिन्यूटी में भागा तो नेक्स्ट टारगेट इज 2915 गोल्ड. Only one condition, it should break the high of 2908. Hit the like button guys. अगर ट्रेड्स मिस हुए हैं फोमो में एग्जीक्यूशन मत करना, right? Wait for the next plan of action and then look for an execution. We are totally okay. There is, if there is an execution perspective looked out and there is a movement allocation breakthrough, right? Patience is important कि फोमो में ट्रेड्स को एग्जीक्यूट मत करो, रनिंग में एग्जीक्यूट मत करो. कुछ और नहीं पूछूंगा मैं आपसे. दिनेश एमटीएसएल ऊपर लेके जा थोड़ा. एमटीएसएल का कैंडल ऊपर लेके जा. हाँ, उसके ऊपर जब तक मार्केट है बने रहो, उसके नीचे क्लोज होते ही एग्जिट. A to Z यूरो यूएसडी फॉर्मूला रिवर्सल Same, sir. Same point of action, same execution. Euro USD current. This is your swing high. This is your swing low. This is your retracement. Right? With that plan of action, your target was hit in one go. Post that, what is the next plan of action? The next plan of action that you will be looking at is in 1 hour. Right? So this is your swing high, which is 1.08898. Sorry, wrong number. Swing high is 1.08890. Swing low is 1.08257 and swing high is 1.08714. Okay? Subtract कर लेना यहाँ पे. Okay? Good job, everyone. A to Z, same formula. Sorry guys, म्यूट में चला गया था, पता ही नहीं चला. Mali Babu sir, did the rejection work as per the mathematical number with the inducement 2 as per today's session? What you had? And share me the screenshot as well of the trade executed as per today's learning. BTC, Euro, USD, same formula use होगा. सर मैथमेटिकल 2.0 हर एक जगह पे आप यूज करो, कोई भी चार्ट दुनिया का चार्ट लेके यूज करो चलेगा. ओके, ये वादा मेरा है आपके लिए. Any chart of the world, use it, it will work for you. ओके सर, थैंक्स. ए टू जेड भी तू ही है क्या रक्षित? आर यू ए टू जेड एज वेल? जस्ट आस्किंग, कंफर्मेशन के लिए. Can you please check this one? Is this correct for BTC? Which one, sir? नो, वो लड़का हीरा है. समर्थ, which one? सर हम फ्रेंड्स थे. ओके, नाइस. ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस. दोनों मिलके छापो. 'वरुण बोल रहा है, रचित, नो, वो लड़का हीरा है. नो वर्ड्स. वीक टू वीक क्लोजर लेती है तो दिनेश फिर से एक प्लान ऑफ एक्शन. ओके, ऑन द ब्रेक ऑफ 2708. BTC 1 hour swing. 3000 points running in BTC. डिमांड डबल कर लेना सब लोग. 50% में है गाइस. बी केयरफुल एट दिस रेंज. वरुण, जितने भी लोग हैं वो लोग. आ रहा हूं मैं. आ रहा हूं मैं भी. 26 days left. Target GR 2910, golden ratio, and intermediate ratio 2912. Malli Babu sir, 2 minutes. Coming to that point. समर्थ का 1 hour का हाई क्या है? 86,471. 86. Okay, let me mark out the numbers. 86,471. 86,471. Okay. Swing low is 82,178. And retracement is 83,503. 83,503. Samar, this point of action is good, right? But there is a change in plan. Your swing high is not right. Your swing high will come down to the next level. because the market has taken the completion, right? So from this point of action to this point of action, the market completed the range. Swing high, low, retracement point, target completed, right? So now your swing will get changed to this point for your previous retracement, right? So your retracement point of action should be at 85098.38, right? And your swing low will be 82264, and your retracement point of action will be 83539. That will be your plan of action, what you will be looking for today. Varun, MTSL 200 points plus, sorry, 2000 points plus. विक टू विक क्रिएट करने दो दिनेश, हरी में मत एंट्री करना. ओके ओके. मल्ली बाबू सर का क्या था? टारगेट 2910, 2912. 2910 target is almost it, sir. So your allocation point of swing low should be 2896.059. Next point of action should be at 2907.123. Retracement point will be at 2900.435. That will be your next plan of action from. No, sir, that is wrong. Right? So actually there is one more red candle which has been precisely seen after your swing low, no? In that photo, there is one wick creation with a smaller body. That will be your high point. And prior to that, there is one more green candle with a buyer's position. That will be your retracement point. Okay, sir? Sir, in square root formula for stocks, the ratio should be considered as 0.618 or 1.618. There is no formula of square root for stocks. Stocks formula is of swing calculations with the golden ratio, intermediate ratios, and regiment ratios. Okay. So basically, after Malibabu sir, after your swing low, third candle is your swing high, fourth candle is your retracement point. I'm waiting, Rachit. 25 days to go. Okay. Cool. Anyone has any doubts? Please do ask. Naresh ji, hope you're still in the stream. Are you finding any difficulties in understanding the markets or the formulas? Please do ask. We are here to help you. Yes, bro, you're really doing well, bro, RV. Thank you so much. A to Z, what is your name? Thank you so much. The man behind is not visible. I'm trying to understand everything, sir. Probably couple of days I will understand. Definitely, Nareshji, whatever doubts you're having, you can just ask, right? And you can get it rectified right in the spot so that the better understanding can help you out to understand it even more clearly and betterly. Dinesh, how many trade and what are the closures? भाई वरुण पूछ रहा है रिप्लाई दे दे यूट्यूब में पूछ रहा है एलटीडी में नहीं 3 gold trades all green 2 फन जाग रहा है दिनेश यस तो तूफान कोई किसी से ने थोड़ी सी हवा देती है तो अब थोड़ा तेज बन जाएगा माय नेम मित्तल उर्फ बैटमैन नाइस भाई साहब Yeah, Mittal is good. Okay. Guys, stream will run for next 10 minutes. जो भी doubt है, please पूछ लेना. All the new members, welcome to the stream and the family. Whatever the doubts you guys are having, you can ask. We are closing the stream in next 10 minutes. 3,950 points running, sir. MTSL at 3,000. प्रशांत आपका टारगेट हिट हो चुकी है कंटिन्यूटी में जा रही है extend the point of view with the point of view right locations continuity demand को डबल कर लो structure allocate करके बने रहो that will be your next probable setup that you will be holding the trade till right so first point of action आपने कितना allocation किया था just skeleton draw out करो उसी स्केलेटन का पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आप यहाँ पे दिखने को मिलेगी. ओके, जितना बड़ा यहाँ पे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट दिख रहा है उतना ही बड़ा मूव फिर से आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा. दिस इज योर नेक्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन. Okay, Prashant, can you please explain the BTC short trade again? Why was taken? BTC short trade, it was a reversal area, right? Allocate the math. We did the math over here. If you notice, Nilesh, उसका rejection point ये था 83,712. Rejection के साथ we needed one proper inducement. We got a group inducement creation over there. With that group inducement, rejection continuity trade was executed. Okay. Any point of action you can take. Okay. सो नीलेश आपका मॉर्निंग में एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ, नहीं तो अभी कर दे. 10 मिनट है ना, वैसे कोई डाउट्स नहीं पूछा. यूरो यूएसडी राइट. जीबीपी. ओके, गॉट इट, थैंक यू. Okay, what do you notice over here, Nilesh? In this scenario, this was the confusion that you had, correct? So in this perspective, the first movement was generated towards the long. Reason of long generation execution was in the perspective of this range. Okay, so why was the movement allocated? Let's activate the inside liquidity. Okay, inside liquidity number one, inside liquidity number two, inside liquidity number three. Okay, and inside liquidity number four. Point of action number one, point of action number two, point of action number three, point of action number four. Okay, what do you notice? The inside liquidity was allocated. With the inside liquidity, the movement closure was completed at this point of action. At this point range, what is the next thing that you will look for? Did we had an inducement? Yes. Partner 1, partner 2, partner 3, break. Did the market sustain? No. Market immediately came down, right? Post the closure, did we get an retracement point of action over here? Yes. The retracement point of action कितना लेना चाहिए हमें? जितना हमारा inducement range है यहाँ पे. This is our inducement range. This is our inducement range, right? Let's mark out the inducement range retracement point. Okay, post inducement range mark out. What is the next thing market did? Market took an rejection over here, which was a fake breakout and the continuity towards the down for the liquidity hunt. Double the demand, double the demand. With this, what will you do first? You will do a mathematical number because insider liquidity was completed. This was your swing high. Take this point as your swing high. Take this point of your swing low. Take this point as your swing retracement point. Right? Post the retracement of the inducement. What is the next thing that you will allocate? The next thing you will allocate a demand. Okay. Post the demand allocation. Did the market complete the point of action over here? Hmm? Nilesh? The point of action was completed nice and steadily, but with a range action point. Okay. What is a range action point? Right? Again, allocate an inside liquidity because the previous movement was allocated to an inside liquidity. The current movement will be allocated through an insider liquidity. Okay, so where are our insider liquidities? This will be completed as per the previous demand only. Post that insider liquidity 1, insider liquidity 2, insider liquidity 3, insider liquidity 4, insider liquidity 5. Okay, 5 liquidity points, 6 liquidity points, 7 liquidity points, 8 liquidity points, 9 liquidity points, and 10. Because this was a small swing rejection. Okay, swing low, swing high retracement. This was the target, what you will get. Post completion of that, let's look for a short trade which was allocated through the insider liquidity. Okay, so this was the first point of action, second point of action, third point of action, fourth point of action, fifth point of action, sixth point of action, seventh point of action, eighth point of action, and final ninth point of action. Okay, did we miss out something over here? एक second ना 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, there are 10. We marked only 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. What do you notice? Where did the market tend to start the reversal? From the same point of action, right? So that's how an insider liquidity allocations works, right? Insider liquidity allocations tend to always create a minimal movement through the point of action where you guys will not be able to understand what the market is currently doing. That is an insider liquidity iceberg orders. उस point of action में iceberg orders generate होता है, and that is the plan of action that you will be looking out over here. To be precise full, ये एक point of action हमने miss किया था, उसे भी डाल दो. Okay. Hope you got the point, Nilesh. So this is how the market tends to hunt a liquidities through an insider liquidity of the circumstances, right? इस point of action में जितने भी लोग ये market zone POI करके है करके सोच रहे थे ना, it was not. Till this point of action, it was creating a demand. With the demand, the market was creating an insider liquidity at this current point of action. So that is the point of action which market tend to build and recreate the price action over here. माइंड बॉन्कर्स, व्हाट जस्ट हैपेंड? ये कुछ ज्यादा हो गया. Let me rewind and watch it again for better understanding because I wasn't considering this inside liquidity point of view. How did that level got so accurate? Right? मार्केट में सीखने के लिए बहुत है. It just, if you guys don't want to gamble, definitely you guys will understand each and everything. Why did the movement come in the play? अब ये inside liquidity क्या होता है? Insider liquidity is a positions where all the big players and the institutions tend to hunt down the majority of the retailers. प्राइस एक्शन ऐसे दिखाएंगे कि लाइक वहां पे कुछ प्राइस एक्शन था ही नहीं, एंड उस प्राइस एक्शन पॉइंट से मार्केट एक शॉट में कवर अप लेता है. सॉरी, इमरान ट्रेड पे हो? अंस ट्रेड पे हो? कहाँ पे एग्जीक्यूट किया हो एक बार बता देना. सर ऐसे ऐसे सब लेवल्स मत निकालो सर. मैं थोड़ी निकल रहा हूँ यार, मार्केट खुद बताया है निकालो करके. ये दो दो बार कमेंट कर रहा है क्या नीलेश? ये कुछ ज्यादा हो गया. Let me rewind and watch it again for better understanding because I wasn't considering this inside liquidity point of view. आप दोनों साथ में बैठ के ट्रेड कर रहे हो क्या? Sir, this is accurate, but need to think and pick the insider liquidity point of action, breaker of inducement. अब क्यों हंस रहे हो रचित? 2905 पे बैठे हो, no problems. Follow the math, the directions. 2910, 2915, 2918 तक का मूवमेंट है ये. ओके, स्लो एंड स्टडीली जाएगा. ओके, नाइस. So both of you live in New York itself. चाचा भतीजे है हम. Oh, nice, great. Keep it up, guys. नहीं पता था, sorry. I thought you guys are different. Oh yeah, now it's clear. Imran Ali Khan, Ans Ali Khan. BTC कहीं नहीं गया. BTC सिर्फ टारगेट हिट कर रहा है. मेजर मेजर ये देखो, ये पूरा हिट करेगा. 2917 तक आते आएगा सोलाना. Coming. Target is 78,674. Okay, sir. नहीं सर, एक ही बार मैसेज किया. डोंट नो दो बार कैसे आ रहा है मुझे। अभी तक टारगेट हिट नहीं हुआ है, हिट होने दो। नहीं नहीं स्मिता मैम, बने रहो मैम आराम से। दिलदार। MTSL रखो 4000 पॉइंट्स में और आराम से बैठो टारगेट हिट होने तक। नो सेकंड थॉट्स गिवन एट दैट पॉइंट। गुड नाइट अंबिका, टेक केयर। So guys, one thing always keep in mind: no FOMO trading, execute the trades at the level, sit patientfully. One good trade is not a profit making or a loss making trade. It's a trade which has been executed with your strategy, with your mindset, with fearless trading, with emotion controls. Right? Emotions मतलब जीतने से खुशी मनाना, लॉस हो जाने से दुखी हो जाना is not a quality of the traders. Execute the levels through the mathematical concept, allocate the trades in the directions of the math, and मिलते हैं कल सुबह, तब तक के लिए नितेश साइनिंग ऑफ, टेक केयर, बाय बाय, गुड नाइट।